guys, welcome back. Do you see any changes? Do you see any change? Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? To compare to this. So now I'm going to use sellotape again for the fourth time. Yes, I'll be updating you all the time how I use my sellotape. Yeah. So the tummy is now soft. Whenever it gets soft, it's getting ready to enter. The water go, but if it's strong, my sister, I don't still. So you have to do exercise so that it will be soft. So now I want to use my magic again. Let's go there. Where is that tip? So all of us know this. I'm going to go to me. Okay? So now let's start. Just watch that magic. See all these things. So you see there no more. Let's go. You have to start from the abdomen. I mean, the lower part.
Your tori na obonge, your news I say no bonge. One neka, na you sabi. One neka, na you. Use to take, okay? My mama. So now, what if I just wear your mama